Hey, you ever wanted to know how to do your own DIY Christmas wreath just in time for the holidays? Completely free and with found materials, all natural. Stay tuned to find out more. Hi guys, for this week I'm going to show you how to make your own Christmas wreaths, your own DIY Christmas wreaths. And we're going to try to do this 100% all natural and found materials. So first we're going to start here with these grapevines. And this is going to be the core of our wreath. So let me see if I can get one down. Yeah, there we go. Look how easy that was. I think this one might be dead. Yeah, that one's no good. Let's see if I can pull one down. What you want is enough of this little vine, because this is going to be what secures the evergreen. All right. Now that we got our grapevine, and this will serve the core of our wreath, we'll go pick some juniper with some juniper berries and some mistletoe. Okay, here's our second part. This is eastern red cedar, and we're gonna gather some of this. If you can see those really pretty little blueberries, and they'll juniper berries, and they'll add a nice little accent. Eastern red cedar is almost invasive in Oklahoma. There'll be no tears shed about cutting any of this. What Christmas wreath wouldn't be complete with a little bit of mistletoe? This used to be our state flower till we realized it wasn't a flower. So let's get up here and get a little bit of this. This stuff up high here has the berries. It's really pretty. There we go. Our final piece of the found materials puzzle here. We're gathering these little red berries to add to the Christmas color. And we're just going to kind of sporadically work these out throughout the wreath. We have our grapevines. We have a smaller grapevine to wrap everything around and hold it all together. We've got our red berries. I'm not sure what these are. We have our mistletoe. We have the eastern red cedars. Some type of juniper. We also gathered some magnolia, and looks like some kind of pine. So the first things first, we're just gonna get our wreath shape and get the core going. And we want it to be where it's going to fit on the front door. And that's going to roughly be about as wide as our machete here. So, yeah, right around there. So we just wind it in and lock it. Let's get the whole core set up without having to cut or break or add. And as we're working on it, we got to break these fibers up so it's nice and round. The issue with them is that they're running sap this time of year, the grapevines and the evergreens. So the hands and your clothes are probably going to get a little bit nasty. Okay, knock this off. Okay. Let's see if we can. Okay, so we got our core down. We've got most of our layers layered in. And now we need this final piece here, this smaller piece of grapevine that we're going to use to wrap around and bind everything together. Alright guys, now we're going to trim it. just going to clean it up. Alright, well here it is, completed product. We have our pine, we have our red cedar, we have our juniper, we have our mistletoe, we have our anonymous red berries. All three took 45 minutes to put together, maybe about an hour. Wasn't too bad. If you want any ideas or any other tips for anything like this, please put it in the comments, hit like and subscribe. All right, thank you.